Hello and welcome to HHHI Official, which stands for Healthy, Happy, Humble, and Inspiring. My name is Zarina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very important topic, and I want you to stay with me and watch the entire video because that can literally change your life, your body, your happiness, and your health. So it is extremely important that you stay with me and watch the entire video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel HHHI Official on YouTube. Today's topic can change your life, and it is extremely important to your health. So what I'm talking about today is called BMI. Well, what is BMI? Do you even know what it stands for? Well, I'm going to share with you what BMI stands for. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. Well, why is BMI important? It is extremely important for you to know your BMI because that affects what is BMI actually? Let me just tell you that first. BMI is an estimate of your body fat and a good gauge for your risk for diseases that can occur with more body fat. So that's why we need to know our BMI numbers. And later on, I will show you what are the different categories of BMI and which category you fall in. As I always say, my disclaimer is, before making any kind of change about your exercise habits, your health, your nutrition, please consult with your family doctor. My channel is dedicated to health and well-being. And your health has everything to do with your happiness. The first thing I can tell you is your body style. And nobody knows your body style better than you. Now it's time to listen and watch carefully because this is about your health. You know your body style. You can have a slim body style or you can have a happy body style. And today I'm going to share with you about body fat. Health is not a simple topic and your body is not so simple either. So today what I'm talking about is body fat. BMI is a measure of body fat based on your height and your weight, which applies to adult men and women. To calculate your body fat, you just need to know how tall you are and how much you weigh, and you can measure it based on your height and your weight, and there is an index that will calculate your BMI. Why is that important to know your BMI? Because I'm going to tell you what category it comes under. Are you underweight, average, normal, obese, or overweight? You can calculate your BMI in metric or standard. So there's 4 categories in the BMI. The first one is if you're underweight. If your BMI is less than 18.5, you are underweight according to your height and the weight. The next one is normal weight. Normal weight is 18.5 to 24.9. Now, that's where you want to fall in because that is the normal category and that is a healthy BMI. The next category is overweight and that is 25 to 29.9, and that comes in the overweight category. So again, please, you're taking care of your health, so focus on your health and do something about it. And the last category is obesity. When your BMI is 30 or greater, you would come under the obese category. So as I just explained, the 4 categories, the higher BMI, the greater you are for risk for certain diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, gallstones, breathing problems, and certain cancers. Of course, I don't want you to go there. So my channel is all about health, where I'm here to help you. So the first thing I will say is maintain your body weight. Find your healthy body weight according to your height, and that is so important for your body health and your heart health. One of the most important things in that is your nutrition. What you eat, how much you eat, when you eat, nutrition is extremely important in your body weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is extremely important for your heart health. So, and also the key to preventing heart disease is to maintain a healthy diet, and I'm going to be sharing with you nutritious recipes. To find out what your correct BMI is, please consult with your doctor because they can help you figure out what your BMI is, and that will lead you to eating a better healthy diet, which is so important for your heart health. One of the things that you can do to improve your heart health is to exercise. Yes, exercise is the best way to reduce your weight and become healthy, and it will help you with your heart disease and any other diseases that you may be possibly facing. It's never too late to take care of your health. That you have the right to change it at any time you want and become healthy. And I assure you that once you find out your BMI numbers and you start taking care of your health, you will feel so much better. On my channel, I am keeping it real, where we bring you the correct facts about your healthy, happiness, humble, and inspiration. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Please go do it now. I want you to subscribe because I am going to be bringing you great videos about health, happiness, humbleness, and inspiration. My YouTube channel, HHHI Official. Thank you so much. All through this video, you will be seeing links to different videos. Please watch them because I have some great information on them. I'm sharing that with you, so please watch all my different videos, which are on a variety of different topics.